Hi everyone, this is your favorite homeboy, and this is day one of the Great American Road Trip. So here we are, we have everybody here, Joshua, and Chloe, and Sabrina, and Mama. Hey everyone.
Hey!
So what's the first leg of our journey? Where are we going? Poconos. So we got to close on our home that we bought. We haven't even seen it yet. We got to close on that, get it ready for getting people in it. We actually already have the month of August booked, and we haven't even closed on it. So that's how great that market is. And then we're going to spend about a week or so there, maybe 2 weeks, hang out with some friends and family, just friends. And then we're all packed up, ready to go, right guys? All right, a couple of commitments we made on this trip. One, we got to exercise. We got to stay fit, so we brought the yoga mat. Two, we're going to try to eat healthy. Even though we're going to go out and eat a lot and do takeout, we're going to try to eat healthy too. So the goal is not to gain a bunch of weight on this 30-day trip. Kids, you can gain as much as you want. You guys are so grown. All right, so let's take a look at the cars and come out here and see what we got. All right. So we got the F-150 loaded up. You can see here. We've got the coolers, the suitcase in the back. Everything we need for our vacation rental in here. It's supposed to rain, but I don't see any clouds in the sky. Maybe it'll rain later. And then we end up having to drive the Prius too because just too much stuff. So we're taking two cars, but since we're gonna be back here for one night, we figure we can do two cars, and then when we get back, we'll load up in the van. All right, so it's about 3 hours, 45 minutes, and we're gonna head out right now, as long as that guy is not in my driveway. Okay, your favorite homeboy signing out. All right, we got a short pit stop. Joshua is on a permit and he can't drive in Pennsylvania, so Mama's taking over. You did a good job, Joshua. Now you get your break. All right, we're gonna be there in 2 hours, right? All right, we made it to this place called Lehighton, like a place in near the Poconos that's just pretty much like a dead town. I don't see anyone here. We're parked over there, and I'm about to go close now. I'm about an hour early. We're supposed to be closing tomorrow. I'm gonna give you a little rant. I was gonna do a closing where I don't have to actually be present. It's called a mail-out closing, but the lender didn't allow it. I said, well, what if I had COVID? And they're like, you still have to close in person. So Jim Thorpe Neighborhood Bank, I don't think I'm gonna close with them ever. They call themselves a neighborhood bank, and then like even if I have COVID, they make you close in person. It's like the first time I ever heard of that, so it's kind of silly. So we decided to close on the day of closing. Come up instead of coming up tomorrow, we came up today so we can close on the day of closing because we can't do the mail out. So here I am. This is Carbon Search and Settlement, and this was a good experience. So definitely will close with these guys again. This is my second time closing with them. I closed with them the first time on the first house. So there we go. Well, apparently that was the office, and they're actually closing at a bank location 2 blocks away. So I need to stretch my legs after 4 hours of driving. So we're going to just walk, and then Autumn and the kids are gonna look up a place for some takeout since it's about 2 o'clock. The only lunch we've had is snacks in the car. So they're gonna get takeout. I'm walking to the bank. Hey. Interesting. And then I'm gonna close this thing, get the keys and all that stuff so that we can start unloading. Looks like the weather is still holding up. Doesn't look like there's any really dark clouds, but I did see lightning up ahead, so hopefully we're not moving stuff out of the truck during a rainstorm. That would stink. So I turn the corner and this is what I see. I don't know if you can see that. We're actually closing at Jim Thorpe Community Bank. Jeez, I think these things weird. I feel like I'm closing at the enemy's place. People making me come here. Boo! 1-star review. You're gonna get my 1-star Yelp review after this closing. Neighborhood bank my butt. All right, just closed on our home. Heading to Jim Thorpe. Riding along this ravine. These canyons. Supposedly the mountains in Lake Harmony area where we're heading, where we bought our home, is about 10 degrees cooler because it's higher in elevation and it's up in the mountains. So that's something we're all looking forward to because it is hot. So we're gonna get some late lunch takeout. Hey, we used to have ice cream here at the woods. Hey man, they're not social distancing and no one has a mask. What's up with that? Alright, so mom's leading the way so we can get some takeouts. Hey, mommy's making a move here. Bold move. Alright. And we're gonna do our first food review, baby. Thank you, YouTube.
Yeah.
For the tax write-off on our food. So this is the awesome town of Jim Thorpe. Just a really awesome place to walk around. You'll notice, just a real quaint old town charm. Lots of shops. So I'm glad we're eating here. Of course, no matter how quaint, it's got to have a China garden. I love this word, Ma Chunk. I think some sort of Indian name, but there's a Ma Chunk bank too. Ma Chunk Inc. That sounds like a tattoo place. So, anyways, donuts.
Yes.
Yeah, baby. What do you think about that, Sabrina?
I wanted donuts for such a long time.
Ah, maybe if they're open, we can pick some. All right, we made it. 23 Pine Knoll. All right, what are we calling this house, guys?
Khaki Campbell!
The Khaki Campbell. The Khaki Campbell, named after one of our ducks. So we're here. All right, let's get our food. Let's eat. We're gonna have our first food review,
Yes.
and then we can unpack before it rains. Cause look, the clouds are coming.
Well, I think we can pack first.
I'm hungry. Let's eat really quick. Okay, first food review. What's the restaurant, Mama?
It's called Marion's Hose Bar.
Marion's Hose Bar. All right,
Jim Thorpe.
let's see what we got. Open it up.
Got some tomato bisque.
Tomato bisque. Show it up to the camera. Bam. Okay.
Roasted portobello.
Roasted portobello. Who's the vegetarian here?
Me. This is a mac and cheese chunker.
Mac and cheese chunker. I want to bite of this one. What else? Oh, this looks good. Got like a sausage in it. That's kind of weird.
Whatever that is.
That is the pig
Oh, that's mine.
Lebowski.
What is this?
Flower wings.
And then
Side salad.
a beautiful salad. All right, let's pray. Who's gonna pray? Let's do this.
Go.
Dear God, thank you for this food, for getting us here safely, for helping us buy this house, and we pray you just give us a great time here with friends. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
All right, food review. The chips are a little soft. All right, so we gotta give every place we go a rating, okay, guys?
Yeah, I think 3 stars, correct?
Out of 5 stars.
2.
Everyone try all the food and give me a good rating and tell me why. All right, Chloe says 2. Mama says 3. 3.5.
I'm saying like 3.
3. Let me try your
I'd
pork roll.
say 3.
3.
Yeah.
3 because
Yep.
3 because I like the cauliflower, and I also like this sandwich. The chips. They kind of messed up our order on the chips and the fries. The chips are like soggy-ish.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna blame him on the chips because that's what's waiting in the car for 30 minutes.
Yeah, and the bread too would have been crunchy if we ate it right away. So a 3 after half an hour. Wait.
We gotta rate them based off takeout quality because
But they were customer service was good. I had curbside pickup. She brought the food out. I was able to pay over the phone.
It was fast.
It was quick.
I'd say it's a 3, 2, because it's like a baseline. Like anything better would be, you know what I mean? It's like this
How's
is
the coleslaw?
this is what's to be expected on a takeout.
Hey, where'd you get this
If
from?
you were to order takeout, I'd say
Did you wash it?
get the cauliflower because that stays crunchy. And I would skip anything that gets soggy really easy, like these chips. Burgers are good because it's hard to mess up that. I mean, that doesn't get worse over 30 minutes. The sausage, unless you're a big sausage fan, I'd skip it. The portobello is not bad. It's like vegetable and it's got this dipping sauce. And it's pretty flavorful, I think.
Yeah, I like the
I like it.
I like it.
All right, there you go. Louis family rating 3 stars. And what's the name of the restaurant again?
Marion Hose Bar.
Marion something bar and Jim Thorpe. All right. So there's our takeout review. All right, we had a good day 1. I'm just gonna end it with a video tour of the property. This is the living room. Coming in here, you got this tremendous view. I think Josh is trying to leave. This is 360 cam, man. You're in the frame, whether you know it or not. All right, look at that view. That's an amazing view. Sabrina, hard work. Unloaded that truck. Didn't rain on us. That's good stuff. Coming in here, we got the dining area. We're gonna put a bigger table in here because we want to fit 16 people in here. So we're gonna measure this and put a double the size so we can at least fit 16 people in here. Mama's in the kitchen, just kind of getting everything lined up, inventoried, right? Cleaned up, sanitized. Over here you have a little bit of a patio or deck with the grill. Weber, baby. That's a Weber. It's dark in here. We need to get some new like LED bulbs up in there. I don't know why I'm pointing the camera up there when this is 360 cam. I keep forgetting. Over here, towards the entry, you do have the laundry room. Let there be light. Hey, there's light. There's light. Automatic. I don't like that. I'd rather have a switch. You gotta have to like walk in and open the door. I guess when you open the door, it'll light up. Okay, so bottom level or main level really is just you got that half bath here when you walk in. You have the kitchen and the living, and you have a bedroom. Okay, so we have a bedroom over here. It's kind of like the master bedroom. It's got its own bathroom, its own sitting area, deck, kind of the match. Symmetrical with the other side of the house. This is going to be the owner's closet. So in here, it's big enough. We're going to put all our stuff. Okay, so coming in here is the bathroom to that master. Look, free towels. It's a nice bathroom. Little stone backsplash, granite counters there. Yeah, it's just the materials are real nice. You know, these are all wood windows. You know, wood doors. Looks really nice, kind of like that cabin feel. All right, let's go downstairs. This is the game room. Now in our other house, the Great Pyrenees, we have a massive game room with no sitting area. And over here, hey, there's Joshua again. And Chloe, what's up? Show us the rec room, Chloe. What do we got here? This is the rec room. So we got this little pool table thingy. We got a sitting area right here. We're thinking about getting rid of the sitting area and making the whole place like a game room. So just kind of like that other house that we have. Well, the arcade's the thing. We ordered a 4-player arcade, which is awesome. We're probably going to put it on that wall where the skis are. They're a little bit delayed. So instead of being here in the next couple of days, they're going to be here when we leave, which kind of stinks because we kind of want to play it and check it out. But at least they'll be here before our guests. This we're going to get rid of, liability. Anyone want a treadmill? Over here you got the deck. Well, come on out here. It's not raining anymore. There's the fire pit, the deck. Supposedly this is a new. It's a hot tub. Wow, look at this view. Nice. They got a fire pit there. Oh, there's a fire pit right there. I'm so glad they have a fire pit. You just kind of make your way down through the rocks and you can get to the fire pit. So maybe one of our projects could be making it a little bit easier to access, and then they can have a fire pit right there. I think that's awesome. I didn't even think they had a fire pit, and I really wanted a fire pit because people want to come out here, they want to burn stuff. Now they can't. In their other neighborhood, they're not allowed to burn stuff, so it's kind of a letdown. All right, so in this bedroom here, this is the first bedroom in the lower level. Maybe we can squeeze another bed in here, put that in the corner. For now, we're just going to leave it as is. We have our magic number plus 16. We have 18. We want at least 16 in these homes. Cool, look, free chairs, free lawn chairs. Now this is the jackpot, baby. Look at this. We got skis. We got, what do you call those? Snowboards. Hey Josh, we got your snowboard for the season. Check this out. We don't have to rent anything. Yeah, this is ours. We got some like shoes, golf clubs, shovels. We hit the jackpot, baby. Come here. We even got some ice skates. This is nice. Man, this is perfect because we're gonna go skiing like for 3 months for this Great American Road Trip. And now we've got everything right here. As long as we fit. You're gonna have to make it fit, man. Because that's just too good to pass up. Alright, so bedroom, first bedroom. Second bedroom has a lot of beds. This is like a beaver's dream. Look at all this wood. So we have a single and a single over double. These lights, I just wish it was brighter. You know, it takes a while to light up and it's still not very bright. Over here we have the mechanical room. Mechanical room, nothing too exciting to see except free golf clubs. Oh, I better hurry up. I'm running out of battery. Okay, we got a bathroom here. And let's go upstairs. What you doing, Bean? So 2 bedrooms in the lower level, 1 in the main. Now we're in the upper level. To the left, we have this room. Good sized room. I wish we could squeeze another bed in here. Like, you got that little nook there. We got the loft with this futon. Another bathroom. And the identical one. Now we're going to take these 2 singles and make it a single over double just so we can add 1 more capacity to this house. And kind of like some storage here. Alright, it was a good day. Day 1, Great American Road Trip. Had a good food review. Got here safely, unloaded everything, avoided the rain. Closed on a home we never saw. And conclude with the tour. Tomorrow we're going to start cleaning up a little bit and moving all this stuff into the right rooms. Maybe tonight if we still got the energy. And thanks for watching. And see you on day 2. This is your favorite homeboy signing out.